Hello Playmo pals, and thank you so much for checking out this Playmo AF video today. We won't be delving into any unboxings or reviews of Playmobil products this time around, but I do have some exciting news for you. As you know, we here at Playmo AF consider this a very clicky-centric channel, meaning that the focus in the majority of our videos is on the clickies, or, for the uninitiated, the Playmobil figures. I'd like to do more with the sets, and here's where we invite you to participate. Although we'll continue to post videos of clickies, I'd like for you to choose which Playmobil set we'll unbox first. We have 3 sets to choose from currently. They'll all eventually get their moment in the spotlight, but which one would you be excited to see first? Here are the 3 sets you have to choose from, starting with the swimming pool. Our next option is the empty white townhouse. Yes, I did say it's empty. It does not include any furniture, but that's part of the game. We'll try and be as creative with it as possible. Our third and final choice is the all-girls rock band. This is new for 2023 and one of my most highly anticipated sets for this year. I'm looking forward to opening this one myself, but I really want to know what you guys think. So there you have it, the first of 3 Playmobil sets that don't focus solely on the clickies. I'm pretty excited for the results, which, by the way, will tally up on September 21st. The winning product will be posted sometime in October. Thanks in advance for taking the time to comment, and we'll see you again very soon. Until then, be sure to check us out on Instagram at playmo.af. Or, if you're watching this on Instagram, check out our channel on YouTube, where you can see all of our unboxings and reviews at, you guessed it, Playmo AF. Have a great day, everyone, and we'll see you again real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.